Hang tight, taste adventurers. We're diving into the foodie wonderland of superfoods, where health meets flavor in a dance party for your senses. 1. Blueberries' tiny explosions of flavor and brain power. Health perks. These little flavor bombs are like a firework display for your taste buds and brain cells. Boosting memory and reducing stress, they're the Beyoncé of berries. Blueberries are the rock stars of antioxidants, free radicals tremble at their presence. 2. Quinoa, the versatile maestro of protein, health perks. Quinoa is the culinary acrobat that flips seamlessly between meals. It's a protein powerhouse, supporting muscle growth and keeping you full without the food coma. Quinoa's resume: it moonlights as a breakfast cereal, salad star, and dinner sensation. 3. Chia seeds, tiny seeds, big omega-3 party. Health perks. These little seeds are the disco balls of nutrition, shining with omega-3 fatty acids that keep your heart grooving. Hydration is their secret superpower, they're like the Beyoncé of hydration. Did you know? Chia seeds absorb water and can expand up to 12 times their size. 4. Avocados, those creamy green wonders, are a nutritional treasure trove. Rich in monounsaturated fats, they're the unsung heroes of heart health. But wait, there's more. These green powerhouses are loaded with fiber, aiding digestion like a friendly superhero sidekick. And let us talk about the skin. Avocados bring a spa-like experience to your cells. Packed with antioxidants, they combat the forces of aging and leave your skin feeling as smooth as silk. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados are brain food. Bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, they support cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused. Plus, they're a nutrient fiesta with vitamins E, K, C, and an ensemble of B vitamins, making every bite a symphony of health benefits. Hit this subscribe button for more flavors as we keep bringing such delicious knowledge